All right, Happy New Year, everybody. So, new year, new you, but old earbuds. Now, I still have my Apple earbuds. They work fine, but you know how earbuds go. After so many months of using them, pressing them in your ear, what happens? They tend to fall out. So, I am going to try wireless earbuds and see how they work. So, I bought these earbuds and I'm going to unbox them. And yeah, we're going to see how they work. Okay, so these are cool. So as you can see, these are my G Buds or Genius Buds wireless earbuds. Of course, it comes with the charging cable, the USB, and then the side that goes into the actual charge port itself. And then, of course, you have the charge port. Oh, cool. Comes with over ears too. These are cool. Just in case you want a little bit more security. All right, so we are going to charge these bad boys up. And of course, that's where they charge. And we are going to see how these work. And of course, you have the earbud itself. Now, depending on like your ears, like your ear sensitivity, you may not be able to wear these type of earbuds because of this little rubber piece here. It may be a little too wide for your ear canal, but I have never had any problems with any kind of earbuds as long as I can hear the music. So it looks like these may be charged up a little bit already, but we're gonna still plug it in and see how they work. And of course it comes with the manual and the user guide. So we're gonna read through this, the overview, the welcome, and we're gonna really take a look and see how these earbuds work. That's not even a word. In comparison to like Apple earpods. And I will say my Apple earpods, when I have my iPhone on like full blast for the volume, boy oh boy, I'm like in the club by myself. So we'll try these and see how they compare, and we'll be back.